On behalf of Elizabethtown College, let me welcome you to the installation of Elizabeth Betty A. Ryder as the 16th President of Elizabethtown College.
We value the faculty-student mentor tradition here at Elizabethtown. There is no better leader than someone like President Ryder, who has spent 3 decades advising, teaching, and mentoring students.
Betty has all the attributes to be a successful president of E-Town. Her ability to motivate, inspire, encourage, and instill confidence in others, exceptional. Her leadership, unmatched. Dr. Ryder always led by example. She made us believe that anything was possible.
Her dedication to everything she does is contagious to those around her and inspires myself and others to improve every day. I am certain that she will apply her love of education, supportive style, and determination to ensure that Elizabethtown College is successful during her presidency.
Dr. Elizabeth A. Ryder, by the powers given to me by the Board of Trustees, I do declare you the 16th President of Elizabethtown College.
As we approach this 125th anniversary of the college, I believe my responsibility as the 16th president is to ensure the institution not only survives, but thrives beyond its 125 years. Doing so will allow future generations of students to experience what those in the past have experienced, a relevant education in a supportive environment that promotes lifelong success. We can't lose sight of why we're here and who we serve and how we prepare students to graduate and generate impact through the skills and experiences they build here at E-Town. Getting the student experience and outcomes right is inspirational because this is where we change students' lives. This is where we thrive. Elizabethtown College has allowed me to live my best life for the past 3 decades. And I will do everything I can to lead us as a Blue Jay community to collaborate and innovate so that we can ensure the institution is here for many more decades of bringing best lives to fruition.